Hey guys, Simon Davis here, also known as Zone Trader. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to read price action on a deeper level. So grab your pen and paper or your notepad, take some notes. I'm going to give you loads of hints and tips to help you in your trading development and your trading journey. Okay, so here we're looking at Great Britain USD on the 15-minute chart. Just a clean chart. So how do we determine trend? Is the first thing we need to learn is how to determine trend. So the first thing we do is go to the daily and put on the 10 and the 20 EMA. I know ICT says 9 and 18. I said 10 and 20, just so you can do the maths easier on the 4 hour and the 1 hour if need be. So if the 10 is over the 20, we're in an uptrend, and if the 20 is over the 10, we are in a downtrend. I just call them blue and red to keep it simple. So I'm all about trying to keep it simple. Okay, so if we're in an uptrend, then the 10 is over the 20. So we're in an uptrend from here, and then we end the uptrend when it crosses back over here. But that's a bit late. To get in a bit earlier, you can go to the 4 hour and see that we have a breaker on the 4 hour. So here is on a daily cross, and we're on a downtrend to set up the down move today. So we see a breaker. A breaker is a high and a higher high, and then the down candle before the up move. Once it's broken, price returns to it here and here. This is your breaker entry, so you'd be looking to enter here on the 4 hour. You can always drop down into lower time frames as well, and also we have a confirmation order block as well, which is the up move before the up candle, last up candle before the down move. Price returns to that as well, and then we drop. Then we get the cross of the EMA here, which is a bit late, but if you want to get it a bit early, you can always drop down to lower time frames to find the breaker that reverses the market. So we're in an up move here, so from here to here we're only looking to buy. So the best thing to do is always drop down into your hour. And then from here, now we're looking to buy. So order blocks are where the institutions buy from, buy and sell from, so the orders in the market. So the last down move before the fast up move is your order block. And we don't get a return to this one. But if we added all this together, that would be your 4 hour order block. And we see a return here. On the way up, you'll see, for the best moves, you'll see accumulation, manipulation, AMD. You've probably heard of it a few times. Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So the reason why the market comes all the way down here and we have a few down days is to just run stops below here and here before continuing the up move. So the market wants to reset, and it will also hold buy stops above the market equal highs. 3 equal highs here, it could be 2 equal highs as well, but 3 equal highs, buy stops. So the market will come down, grab liquidity to be able to take it up to the buy stops. So the market's going to come down from here and then take the liquidity below market. And also we see a inside of the 4 hour order block, we see the order block, the hour order block getting returned to here for a rally up. Once it's completed its mission from the order block here, where they dipped into the order block here, rallied up, swept out the stops here and completed its mission. So all these stops now have been taken. This is why the market returns back to the order block here, which is the last down candle before the fast move up. We're just looking to buy this market because we're in an uptrend on the daily. See an order block here, and you see an order block here. Also, you can find entries around the 40 RSI inside of order blocks if need be. So on the way up, we're just looking for order blocks, last down candle before the up move, the fast up move. Then we see return to origin, and then we enter trades. And again, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Also, guys, people trade divergence, but that doesn't happen often. But convergence is where price moves the same way as RSI, and we go into the RSI in much more detail in the Pro Traders Price Action course plus. The best thing to do in trading really as a beginner is backtest every single day. What you learn, backtest it more and more and more. Also, another move on the way up you can find is turtle soup. So once the price creates a low and then runs that low here, you can look for turtle soup. So turtle soup is a run on this low. Price goes up, comes down, runs the low, turtle soup, comes back into the range, so comes out of the range, back into the range, past the red line, and you can buy, continue to buy. We also have a fast up move, which is creating the order block that sets up this day and this day for an up move. If you're in consolidation, we'll talk about that in future videos. I've talked about it in previous videos, but in consolidated markets, you trade something different, which I'll talk about in future videos. So on the bottom of the markets, on the way up, we can mark off all the bottoms to get in at turtle soups. Order blocks, turtle soups. You can also find breakers on the way up as well. So we're continuing to trade upwards. So I'm not just going to do it all. And then as we came on the daily, we flipped into sell mode here. Then we look for sells. So again, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. It's not always clear, and if price isn't clear, the best thing to do is not trade. But the most important thing about trading is risk management. So once you know all your setups, learn to manage your risk. So because we're in a downtrend, we look for order blocks, bearish order blocks, so that's the last up candles before the down move. Price returns and sell here, all the way here as well. And today was a breaker, so we got high, higher high. This candle is your breaker, so you sell on the hour within this breaker today to catch this move. Also, we're expecting the 60 RSI, which will go into more detail inside of the Pro Traders Price Action course plus. So price is probably going to reach down to liquidity down here. May see a slight retracement before getting there, but ultimately price is probably going to drop to here to take out the week's low, and then who knows where we'll go from there. Anyway guys, hope this has been helpful for you in your Forex journey. I've been Simon Davis, also known as Zone Trader. The best thing to do in trading is be patient, disciplined, always follow rules, and the number one rule is risk management. If you found this video helpful, please comment below. If you like further help from me and our team here at Pro Traders Price Action Course Plus, feel free to follow us or message us on Instagram at Zone Trader. Thanks very much for watching.